This lecture focuses on taking three different types of inputs from the user. We already discussed different data types in an earlier lecture. Now we will see how we can take values from the user to place in our variables. First up, let us take an integer input. Take a variable a equal to int. Now the input statement. In these brackets, you enter some text which will be displayed to the user. Suppose enter a number, and that is how it is done. For floating point numbers, simply do this: b equal to float input, enter a floating point number. And for strings, simply need to do this: c equal to input, enter some text. It is as simple as this. You can also take multiple inputs in a single line. Suppose a comma b comma c comma d equal to input, enter four values dot split. This is how you can take multiple inputs in a single line. That's it for this lecture, folks.